All right, y'all, I'm just sitting around playing with makeup because I'm having withdrawals from my skincare and makeup. I got a tint and some really cute lip gloss or lip oil by Revie Beauty. This is a lot. It's a lot to look at. I'm glad that I posted yesterday. I'm glad that I did my Burniversary post yesterday because I didn't want to not do a post that was actually taken on my Burniversary. And I didn't want to do it in advance. And I wouldn't have felt the same way in advance. And yesterday turned out to be a really, really wonderful day, full of opportunity and hope. 2025 will by far be the best year of my life, other than years that I've had children. And I'm just excited for what's next. I'm going to do a little side view. This is gory. This is only for this video. You're not looking at a new nose yet. You're looking at the forehead flap. So the tissue was expanded and I had that big bubble in my head. And now that bubble is gone because it's down here. They made skin and they needed that skin because I didn't have anything to work with. The tip of my nose was burned off when I was set fire. Literally burned away. And the only way to replace it is this. My regular nose is still underneath here. This is just on top. And I'm going to show you. Okay. So it's not attached. See my nose right there? See my nose? It's not attached. It's just a big piece of skin, and it is vascularizing. It is getting blood supply. I've been in the hyperbaric chamber twice since surgery. It's amazing. I did have trouble with my ears in it because my nose is so stuffy and my ears are kind of sensitive anyway, but it clearly really helped. I can't really touch it. I know y'all see like little things on here, but I'm not touching that. The doctors clean it for me when I see them. I feel like this holds so much promise because this is just the skin they're going to work with. And I'm already happier not looking into my nose, And the next step will be thinning this out. They said lift it up, thin it out because it is very thick, and then add some cadaver cartilage that will shape the tip of my nose, nostrils, and the tip. And then they'll put it back down and leave that to vascularize again. And once it does, they'll be able to take all this away. This is the connective from my forehead to here. Once it is all vascularized and shaped at the tip, all that can go away. And the end result is a nose that I didn't even think possible. I pleaded with the young resident burn doctor. The older doctor had said he would do it, and then the young resident came in and didn't want to because it was only going to add, I don't know if he said 5 or 6 millimeters or something, a huge amount when you're talking about nostrils. But I'm really, really grateful that he didn't do it because he couldn't have done it this well. So we have to trust God's timing. All right, I've missed y'all. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. It's a lot for me to create content right now. My energy levels are just all over the place, but I do want to document this journey as much as I can. If you're going through it, don't be afraid. Or if you're hoping that one day you can, replace the tip of your nose, you can. It is possible. Everything is possible. Please subscribe. I will see y'all as soon as I possibly can. I love y'all. Remember that whatever you're going through, this too shall pass.